Hi. Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. I go first.
Okay.
Body 5. Open the flag. Danger world.
Katana World.
My body is Tyrant Elgar Cerberus.
Nanase. Revival Body.
I go first. Draw. Charge and draw. Equip. Searing Fang Spear Axe Gijin Demon Slay. Put a hand card into the soul and pay 3 life. Ugh. Cast Immense Pressure. If I have a critical 4 or more, draw 2 cards.
Crit check.
4. 5.
Okay.
Call Armor Knight Cougar A. You may put this card from the field into the soul of your weapon. Cougar.
Cougar. Power 3000. Gain 1 life and draw card. Okay.
Cast Burst Deity Calling Ritual per pay 1 gauge. Pay 1 life. Draw a card, then if you have a weapon equipped, draw an additional card. So 1, 2. Okay. Call Demon Lord Fangsruga. Call Tyrant Elgar Cerberus. Body call. Gain 1 life.
+1.
Pay 1 gauge.
Okay. Crit check.
Crit check.
4, 5, 6, 7.
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. When I gain life, destroy a card on your field and draw a card. Pay 1 life. The top card of your deck into the gauge. And put a monster from your drop zone into the soul of an item on your field.
What did you put?
Alright. Battle.
Go.
Attack you 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then,
Abilities.
when the weapon you discard on the soul attacks, you gain 1 life. And draw a card.
Down to 2.
Okay, and then this one. When a weapon on your field attacks, you gain 2 life. If that has 4 crit or more, you gain 3. 1, 2.
Okay.
Enter.
Draw. Charge.
Go.
Set. Arcane Truancy. Skill, drop a ninja arts.
Mhm.
And pay 1 gauge. Do draw 2 cards. Skill, when this one is dropped by card effects, top deck the gauge and draw card. Equip to 1. Equip Kanisada. Call. Premature passing BB Kawazu. On entry, put up to 2 Skull Warrior or Water from deck to drop zone. Monster. 1. Different name. No, not different name. Cut.
Cut. If I have 2 Cougars, they'll only activate once, right? Or
No, 1 for each.
1 for each.
Because it's not a named ability.
Okay.
Call. Nanase. Body call. Pay 1 gauge. Put 2 water from drop zone to the zone.
Mhm.
Eh. Entering battle phase.
Go.
Skill. Ay. Wait, before entering battle phase. Drop a soul. Drop 1 gauge. Okay. Entering battle phase. If your gauge is 1 or less, I gain 2 life.
Mhm.
I draw a card and all water get power 10k and critical plus 1 and double attack.
Mhm.
Cast. Fusion style. Stance of Staring Ichi. Look at top 3. I have Exit Blade equipped. And put 2 from 2 hand and the rest of the gauge. 1, 2, 3. Put 2 hand, the rest of the gauge. So, all water. Get critical +1. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Paki for 3. 3. 3.
Hmm.
P1 gauge. The damage to this bit.
Hindi cardinal spell Sakura Fubuki.
Down to 6.
Two. Cannot be nulled. If attacking alone.
Two.
Double attack. Cannot be nulled if attacking alone. Turn end.
Okay. Stand and draw. Charge and draw. Call Tyrant Healer. Gain 1 life. If I have another Tyrant on the field, draw a card.
Okay. Go.
When I gain a life, destroy a card. Can I destroy anything?
Yes.
Item.
Cannot be destroyed.
Item. Use set spell. Destroy a card on your opponent's field and draw one card. I will call Harmony Knight Ogre A. Put it into the soul. Call. Cast. Burst Deity. Pay 1 gauge. Pay 1 life. Draw a card.
Go.
Draw another card. Put the top 3 cards of your deck in the cage. 1, 2.
Si ability. When a card is put in your gauge, if you have 3 or more gauge, drop until you have 2 gauge.
Okay. P1 gauge. Concentration healing. Put up to 1 tyrant. It's not tyrant, it's tyrant.
What happened to Tyrant Healer? Anyway, it was not dead.
No, I overcalled. And then I put it into the...
The oversize.
No, it's size 1.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Battle phase.
You have 1 gauge, gain 2 life. Draw a card. And critical power and defense plus 10,000.
Plus 10,000. Alright. How many defense?
6,000.
16
6.
plus 10.
Pick only water.
Oh.
This is Blade Dancer weapon.
Okay.
Hey wait, don't you have to gain life or something?
Yeah, I gain 1 life. And then...
You wasted.
yeah, I know. That's the last card I played.
I did not call Tyrant Healer again.
It's only activate once per
Okay.
turn. Okay. Battle. $6,000.
6,000.
Center for 3.
Pay 2 gauge. Null the attack. For this turn, nullify the ability of the attacking card and destroy. Draw 2 cards and
Nullify the ability of the attacking card. Cannot be
null.
destroyed since it's the item. All tyrant. So the ability is only nullified.
Yes,
but
but
it can't
the
be
attack
destroyed.
nullified and deal 3 damage.
Deal 3. No, wait. Na.
You should have attacked with that first. So you gain 5.
I know that, but the attack is nullified.
Null attack.
Nullify the abilities of the attacking card.
Yeah, it's the
And
only
destroy.
attacking card. It's
Yeah.
not the... And that ability is on attack.
I still have this, right? It's floating.
What do you mean?
Pay 1 gauge. Counter. Na I'll just All I need is a tyrant and an item on the field.
Yeah, but it's pay for life.
Oh, I thought it's up until 4. Don't I have any counters? Okay, fine. I lost.